Just simply come on to this website, connect this website, and then simply follow me along, and I'll show you how you can make tens of thousands of dollars in free passive income at the end of every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $12,601 per month with this beginner friendly method and using JVZoo. Guys, this is going to be free PayPal money for you guys. If you were to complete this method successfully, you will have yourself a source of passive income that you can essentially use for the rest of your life. So don't skip any part of this video and watch this video from the start to the very end with full focus. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to JVZoo.com. Now guys, JVZoo.com is going to be the platform that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now what is JVZoo? Now using JVZoo, you can essentially get affiliate products, different brands, different things for your very own use, and you can actually make money by simply selling those items to different people and earning a commission from them. Now if you scroll down, you can see all the different payout options that they support. They support Slack, PayPal, Stripe, Aweber, Payoneer. Like all these are big names. Now with their affiliate program, you can essentially get 800,000 plus active affiliates, and you can essentially make thousands of dollars in just commission alone. Like you won't have to sell any original products or anything like that, because I'm going to be showing you ways with which I've been getting a lot of traffic, and I'm sure you guys can get a lot of traffic as well. Now why did I choose JVZoo? Why not some other website? Well, firstly, it's because you will always get paid on time. You don't have to chase down vendors to get paid. You will have all your affiliate data and stats in one convenient place. Now, other than that, they also give you a lot of bonus tips and tricks which almost no other website gives you in the world of affiliate marketing. So like all in all, this website has always been my go-to for finding any affiliate products. So now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner and click on start for free. Now once you click on start for free, after that simply register for an absolutely free account. Simply put in your legal name over here, your email address, your password, and then your password once again, and then choose your country. Now once you've signed up, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have a lot of different things that you have to keep track of and that you should understand. Now if you were a seller, you will see your earnings over here on the left side, but in this method you are going to be acting as an affiliate, so you will see your earnings over here, and you will see your visitors, your total sales, your gross revenue, your earnings, and everything like that over here on the right side. So guys, like that is honestly amazing. So guys, like honestly, that is absolutely fantastic, because like when you're getting thousands of dollars in sales, you really need to have a good eye, and you really need to keep track of everything that you're selling and that you're buying. So now what I want you to do is simply click on at the top over here where it says affiliates. After that, simply click on find products. Now once you click on find products, that is gonna essentially take you over to their product display section. Now this website might take a second to load up because they are always under heavy load, but just be patient. Now once this website loads up, now you can essentially see all the products that are present over here on this particular website. So we have software products, we have like a different softwares, we have different services, we have hardware machines as well. So like you can expect to sell almost anything from this website. Now from the right side, you have to essentially take a look over here. So over here you have to always check the launch date. The more recent the launch date is, the better. The older the launch date is, the harder it is going to be to actually sell that product, unless that product has been selling magically. So always try to find products that are launched recently. After that, you have to see how many products are sold, and then after that you have your conversion rate. Conversion rate basically means how many people actually go on to buying the software after clicking on their affiliate link. Now guys, for this software, only 3% people actually buy this product once clicking on their affiliate link. Now we have products with 25% conversion rates, like we even have a 30% conversion rate products over here. So like you have to essentially do your research. So once you have a very high conversion rate, that is considered to be a good product. And then after that, take a look at the average price. Now make sure that this price is high and the commission should be at least more than 50% or at the bare minimum more than 30%. And now once you have a commission like that, you essentially don't need anything else and you can simply move on to basically selling that product without worrying if you're gonna make money or not. So now I'm gonna choose a product from over here. Obviously I'm gonna find a product with the highest conversion rate. This is a key search starter, so I'm gonna choose this product, and now what I want you to do is simply click on request approval. Now once I click on request approval, after that is going to take me to another page where I will basically have to type in why am I choosing to promote this product. Now what I want you to type in over here is simply tell them that hey, I'm a newbie and I've been in business for quite some time and I can really get you sales because the type of business that I run, we really use this type of software and I really have the people for it. Type in stuff like that and they will definitely give you their affiliate link, and once you get your affiliate link in your email, you can essentially move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to tiktok.com and I want you to type in the search bar facts lobby. Now once you search the TikTok facts lobby, you have these videos coming up. So what is this person doing? Essentially this person is just basically uploading videos, basically putting one text quotes over here with some music, some backgrounds and some stuff like that, and then essentially he is getting hundreds and thousands of people on his page. Guys, you can do the exact same thing for your own TikTok and you can actually get millions of shares and millions of followers in just a couple of months, because the way TikTok is increasing its reach, more and more people are coming on TikTok, you really have a very good chance of actually making it big on TikTok. So you can simply copy the exact thing that this page is doing here, get some pictures from pexels.com as well, and then simply combine them in your phone using a software called InShot. And honestly, it is not very hard to make videos like this. Now once you upload videos like these on TikTok regularly, your page is gonna increase its reach. Like I'm telling you, once you start uploading consistently, you will be getting so much views that honestly you won't know what to do with them. Now once you have a successful page, you can simply paste your affiliate link of the products over here and then simply upload a post or a video saying that hey, if you want this product, simply buy it from this link, it is an amazing product, and then simply just praise the product and people are gonna buy it. And when people buy it, guys, you will see a lot of earnings stacking up in your dashboard in JVZoo, and you can do this for any product. So guys, that is how essentially you can get started using JVZoo, and that is how you can essentially start making money using TikTok and using JVZoo combined. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.